Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable reduced white point and what it does on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it's all going to work the same. So, what you want to do is to go to the settings, then you want to go to the accessibility. Once you're here, you want to go to the display and text size and swipe down to find the reduce white point. So if you turn on this feature, what it does, it's reducing the intensity of bright colors. So the display is going to be just darker, but only the bright colors are going to be darker. Like the rest, like the black color, or for example, let's say dark blue or dark green, those colors are going to be bright still. And below that you have this swiper, as you can see, with which you can just set the intensity of reducing the white point. So as you can see, if you go to 100%, if I go to the maximum brightness, as you can see, the screen is going to be just darker. But if I'm going to I don't know if I have a picture like that, maybe go to the photos. As you can see, the screen is dark, but those darker colors are still bright, as you can see. So let me just turn this feature off right now. Oh, this is too bright for now. And let's go to this picture. As you can see, everything is now, I don't know if camera can see this, but even before I still was able to see those trees and the colors of the water and everything. Just this feature, what it does, is reducing the intensity of bright colors. So in the most cases, it just uses it just makes the screen a little bit darker. So this is it. This is how you can turn this feature on and off. So again, how to get to this: go to the settings, then swipe down, find accessibility, display and text size, and then you can find the reduce white point option. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!